Hi, commercial McDonald's wall covering. Come over here with the camera, just show them how all of these lines obviously have to match up. Show them the overlap. We have each sheet overlap 1 1/4 inches. And that's what it calls for. This is the bleed. This, and then we'll cut it in the middle and come up with our new seam. Now, while it's relaxing, we heat it up. You can use fire or you could use the hot air gun. And you heat up especially where you're going to cut it. Because if this is not pliable, your cut is going to be, it's not going to be off. It's not going to be good. You could use this. Keep the camera on the wall covering. Or you could use the torch right on the area where you're going to cut it. This way you get it nice and dry, and also you warm it up. It makes it a little thinner, easier to work with. You let it relax. We have it on the wall for an hour. Then, one last thing. Third tip is get all your glue off of it. Get ready to cut it. We're in a Walmart. I just bought myself a nice sponge mop, and I put it on my paint pole, and I want to just clean it all off just to make sure I got no more glue on it, because after I cut it, that's it. It's done. Okay, there are your tips to install commercial vinyl. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.